What is the law of vector addition? Triangle of vector addition is used to add two vectors. Let us consider two vectors A and B. So vectors A and B are given to you. Not necessarily coincident, not necessary. There are two vectors. This is vector A and this is vector B. You are given two vectors. The question is how to add them. The procedure is like this. The tail of B is placed on the head of A without changing the orientation of B, which means that we move B parallel to A. We move B parallel to itself until the tail of B sits on the head of A, like this. So this is our B. That's what this diagram shows. This vector A, we have moved B parallel to itself until the tail of B sits on the head of A. Then the vector from the tail of A to the head of B gives us the resultant A plus B. So if the resultant is represented by A plus B, then R is equal to A plus B is represented by the closing side of the triangle taken in the reverse order. That means from tail of the first vector to the head of the second vector.